This is our Roomba. I have it on a little border because we actually have this on our Roomba to keep it from going under one of our sofas because it tends to get stuck under there. So that's a little fire hydrant from one of our children's toys many years ago. That's super glued on there. So I have the whole new kit and I'm just gonna walk through how to refresh the Roomba. This Roomba has not had this done in a long time. So I do a couple of different things. One, I'm switching out the filter in here. I'm switching out this little brush, and as you can see, there's only one sad little piece still on there. And this is very, very, very long overdue. I might need to continue using the screwdriver. I was trying to be lazy. Subbing it would come out. And also, for this one, I'm using the knife. I do have a screwdriver. The one that we're replacing it with doesn't have this little extra notch. This one has a notch that you can use a knife or a screwdriver. All right, so I'm taking that off. Wow. Ew. You see that? Hair stuck. I will say myself and my two daughters both have very long hair, or all three of us have very long hair. So this Roomba really puts in the work, and I actually clean. One thing to do is you do want to periodically take these out and clean around the little gear pieces because hair does tend to get taut. But these are very, very old. I don't know if you can even tell how shiny they are. They've lost a lot of their the stickiness. They're so shiny at this point. So the first thing I'm going to do is vacuum as much of this lint and all of this out. I have some rubbing alcohol. I'm going to clean the sensors, and I'm also going to clean this out a little bit as well. I have the new filter. Now, interestingly, this filter is a little bit different. I hope that doesn't affect the way they operate. It's definitely more plasticky. This is an off-brand, by the way, so that probably is my fault for getting an off-brand one. It has the same notch, but this one has like an extra meshy part on the back that this one doesn't have. And I really hope that the airflow isn't harder on this, affecting the vacuum's ability to really do the vacuuming job that it needs to do. I like to run it at least once a week in our living room, where I can't get under our sofa. And we have a wool rug, which years ago seemed like a great decision. I was excited for it, but oh my gosh, that rug has never stopped leaving lint everywhere. And the good thing is we don't have pets or anything. I know some people have had I've seen some horror stories online with people with their Roomba and their pets leaving a treat and Roomba picking that up and dragging it everywhere. We don't have that problem. We take our shoes off in the house, so we don't have incredibly dirty floors with like messy dirt. It's more just general dust, food crumbs, things that have fallen. And all I'm doing here is trying to give it just, a little bit of a wipe down, but also these clear sections here, those are actually sensors that Roomba uses to sense as she's moving around. So there's one there, and then there's also this one here, which actually looks like it could use a little more attention. I might give that one a little bit more. And this is just rubbing alcohol. You could use a cloth. I'm using a napkin just because it was sitting completely clean, but sitting on the counter, gonna get thrown away. So I figured this was a good use for it. A cloth would probably grip a little bit more, so it might actually be a little bit more effective, but for the purposes of what I'm trying to do, this is perfect. So with new ones, but I kind of like the fact that this one, you don't just need a screwdriver, you can use a knife as well. So let me see if I can, is it not? Let me see. There we go. Let's see if that. You can either use the screw that comes with it, but this one just screws onto it, which is actually kind of nice. because even if it were to come off, it still kind of has a little bit of extra grip there. All right, so nice. Going from, I don't even know where the broken one is, but going from that sadly broken one to this, these are very easy to take out and put in. You just have to line up the square with the square, put that piece in there, and then you just make sure those are laying flat. This I actually clean out almost every time I use Roomba, or at least once a week. I take these out, cut off any hairs or anything, and then remove the buildup that's built up around them. Then in here, the filter I also knock out, kind of knock into my trash can every time I clean out Roomba. I have one more piece. I did not realize how easy it was to take this off. All I did was, it was sitting in here, and I just have like a really thin screwdriver. You might be able to do it with a knife, and I just slowly pulled away at it because I noticed that it had some give. So I'm able to clean out all of the debris caught in and around there as well. And then this, because I was coming in from the bottom, I was able to push it up and out. And this is actually why I wanted to get in here, because there's hair stuck around where it needs to spin. Oh, wow. I love when things come apart in a way that you can just get in there and clean it. It's so satisfying. It was so satisfying. All right, so I think I should just be able to pop that back in there, kind of center it, push it down. Wow, it flows so much better now. Sometimes the best things way to figure something out is just to try. Just don't push so hard that you break it. Oh, wow. Yes. I don't know if you saw before, I actually had to like physically move it every time. That's awesome. But there you have it. Simple, quick, easy. Again, there's another camera here, so just trying to clean any of the areas where there's a camera. There you go. Thank you so much for watching. Look at that, much cleaner. I think it's going to do a much better job of gripping and grabbing anything that's on the floor. Thank you so much for watching. And if you haven't yet, please take a minute to like the video, subscribe, comment down below if you've switched out, and actually if you have any tips on how I can take out some of these other pieces to clean it. Thank you so much. Look at her go.